Hello friends. So today let us learn about the modern trends in highway material construction and maintenance, that is a B part of unit number 6. In this we are going to learn about the mastic asphalt. The mastic asphalt product comprises of suitable graded limestone aggregates bond together with asphalt cement. This is primarily refined bitumens to produce a dense voidless material. Mastic asphalt is an ideal material for a whole range of construction applications in both new build and refurbishment where a smooth, seamless, and durable surface is required. It offers a total waterproofing integrity for roofing and tracking the acts as a tough surface in flooring and paving. So this is nothing but a mastic asphalt. You can see the figure. Now next is cold mix asphalt technology. Cold mix asphalt cold asphalt mix is produced by mixing unheated mineral aggregate with either emulsified bitumen or formed bitumen. Unlike hot mix asphalt, that is HMA, cold mix asphalt does not require any heating of aggregate, which makes it economical and relatively pollution free. Production of cold asphalt mix does not require high investment in equipment, which makes it economical. It is also suitable for use in remote areas. Cold asphalt mix can be used both for initial construction, that is 100% virgin mix, and for recycling of a asphaltic pavement. So, cold mix asphalting technology is done in this way. What are the mix types? Preliminarily, two types of virgin cold mix are used. One is dense graded and another is open graded. Slurry seal and microsurfacing can also be considered cold mixes, although used as a surface treatment. The slurry seal consists of a mixture of mineral aggregate, mostly fine aggregate, slow setting cationic bitumen emulsion, water and additives if needed, proportioned, mixed and uniformly spread over a prepared surfaces. Both slurry seal and microsurfacing have the following applications and limitations. What are those? So we shall enlist it one by one. It should be used as a existing bituminous surfaces. The existing pavement should be structurally sound and should have good riding quality. The existing bituminous surface should not have any severe distress except hairline cracks. Oxidized means aged roads surface or the polished surface and should be applied to roads carrying low to medium traffic only. On heavy traffic roads, both veer off prematurely, especially in the wheel tracks. Now let us focus on a warm mix asphalt technology. Warm mix asphalt is a generic term for a variety of technologies that allows the producer of a hot mix asphalt pavement material to lower temperature at which the material is mixed and placed on the road. It is proven a technology that can either reduce the paving cost, extend the paving season, improve the asphaltic compaction, allows the asphalt mix to be hauled longer distance, and improve the working condition by reducing the exposure to the fuel emission, fumes, and odor. So warm mix asphalt technology. So this type of construction whatever takes place, that is a warm mix asphalt technology. In this warm mix asphalt production methods, this uses a temperature varying from 30 to 120 degree Fahrenheit, lower than the traditional hot mix asphalt. In paving projects, the greater the temperature difference between the asphalt mix and the outer temperature, the faster the mix cools. Additionally, warm mix asphalt saves time in production as well as in surfacing routes. Because warm mix asphalt makes compaction easier, cost savings are achieved by reducing time and labor spent by compacting the mix. Lower temperature also permits more asphalt mix to be hauled for longer distance, reducing transportation cost. How the working takes place. Warm mix asphalt technology reduces the viscosity, that is thickness, of the asphalt binder so that the asphalt aggregates can be coated at a lower temperature. The key is the addition of additive, that is water based, organic, chemical or hybrids can be used as a additive to the asphalt mix so as to accelerate the process. The additive allows the asphalt binders and asphalt aggregates to be mixed at a lower temperature. Reducing the viscosity also makes the mixture easier to manipulate and compact at a lower temperature. How the performance is evaluated. Proper compaction is critical to well performing pavement. One indication of proper compaction is density. Water Warm mix asphalt is also versatile. It has been used successfully in a range of pavement thickness. It is durable enough to withstand high traffic demand. Warm mix asphalt have been used successfully in Europe for more than 10 years. In the US, warm mix asphalt projects are now in more than 40 states. There are some advantages of this method. As the temperature level is relatively low, air pollution caused due to emission and fumes is less. Less energy is spent while manufacturing. Temperature drop during the mix transportation is no longer a concern. Nextly, we can say the construction season expands and the haul distance increases. And lastly, compaction effort is less so as to achieve a specific compaction level. So these are some of the advantage of warm mix asphalt technology. Now second method or second type is recycled or reclaimed asphalt pavement. So what is this reclaimed asphalt pavement? It is defined as removed pavement material containing asphalt and aggregate. These materials are generated when asphalt pavements are demolished or removed for construction, resurfacing, or to obtain access to the buried utilities. When properly crushed and screened, recycled or reclaimed asphalt pavements consist of high quality and well graded aggregates coated by a asphalt method. So this is a figure showing you the asphalt reclaimed asphalt pavement or recycled asphalt pavement. It is denoted by RAP. Current management option. So recycling, disposal are some of the management options. So firstly, let us highlight on recycling. The majority of the reclaimed asphaltic pavement is produced is recycled and used, although not always in the same year that it is produced. Recycled reclaimed asphaltic pavement is almost always returned back into the roadway structure in some or the other forms, usually incorporated into asphalt paving by means of a hot or cold recycling, but it is also sometimes used as an aggregate in base or subbase construction. Disposal. Excess asphalt concrete is disposed of in landfills or sometimes in the right of way. In most situations, this occurs when small quantities are involved or where the material is combinedly used with the other material or facilities are not readily available for collecting and progressing the reclaimed asphaltic pavements. Highway uses. Mild or crushed RAP can be used in a number of highway construction applications. This includes its use as an aggregate substitute and asphalt cement supplement in recycled asphalt paving, either in hot mix or cold mix, as a granular base or subbase, stabilized base aggregate, and as an embankment or fill material. Asphalt concrete aggregate as and asphalt cement supplement. Recycled asphalt pavement can be used as an aggregate substitute material, but in this application it also provides additional asphalt cement binder, thereby reducing the demand for asphalt cement in new or recycled asphalt mixes containing RAP. When used in asphalt paving applications, RAP can be processed at either a central processing facility or on the job site, that is in place processing. Okay, so this is about the RAP and its application in a highway uses. So we shall stop here and continue in next class. Thank you.